Good afternoon. My name is Reverend Dr. Becky Coots-Kimbley, and I am the founder of Kimbley Quantum University, Kimbley Quantum Collective, and Kimbley Quantum Ministries. If you are watching this video, then you are someone who is interested in working with one of our KQU licensed practitioners in our Body Rebuild program. This program used to be known as our Foundations to Healing program, but we have recently revised it, made some edits, and we are relaunching it and rebranding it. So, what if your body has been trying to heal, but no one ever showed you the foundations it needs? What we have realized working with hundreds, if not thousands of clients, is that everyone is missing one, if not all, of the foundations. This is why many people spiral. This is why many people keep circling and looping and just are not getting the answers because they are trying to build on a weak foundation. So you don't need another pill, another supplement, another detox, another protocol. I have myself been in that position where I thought the next pill was going to be the magic pill, the next protocol was going to be the magic protocol. And in all reality, this program came about my own healing because in 2019, late 2019, early 2020 was when I was circling again with Lyme disease. All the things that I was doing just were not working. And I decided to stop taking all of my supplements and stop doing all the protocols and go back to the very beginning and do the basics. And this again is what we teach in our foundations program, now known as the Body Rebuild. So you are probably one of these people, you've tried everything, the pills, supplements, the protocols. I hate to tell you, but healing is not found in another bottle. You have probably seen tons of practitioners. Again, most clients that end up coming to us, they've been everywhere, they've tried everything. They're on the 30 to 40 supplements. They've seen 15 plus practitioners and still have not received the answers that they need. You've invested time, money, hope, yet something still feels missing because it is. This is why we need to go back and rebuild your foundation, support your terrain. We teach you how to listen to your body, communicate with your nervous system because it is always communicating with you. And I want you to know that you are not broken. Your body has been waiting just for the right environment to heal. You know, we always have this thing in holistic health. If you give the body what it needs, it already knows what it needs to do. It'll start healing itself on its own. But most of us are beating ourselves, fighting our body, bullying it into healing instead of listening to what our bodies really need. Now, this body rebuild program is a 10-week mentorship. Okay, this is not a new diet trend. This is not an expensive protocol. It is a guided return inward back to the body that has been whispering all along. And we're going to teach you how to understand that communication, how to understand what your body is relaying to you. You're going to meet weekly for an hour, sometimes up to 90 minutes. It depends. Some of our modules can be beefy, but we also want to allow time for discussion and questions. You're going to work with the tools, the scans, the breath, the movement, but more importantly, you're going to work with you. Healing wasn't meant to be complicated, but we've all complicated it. You guys have seen this over and over. We've made healing either super expensive or it has to be some complicated protocol from these top functional medicine doctors, and really it doesn't, because most of us are missing the foundations. I think in one study I did, 90 or 92% of the clients were missing at least one foundation. Most people had nervous system dysregulation. Most people were missing stomach acid, hydrochloric acid, and enzymes. And most people were missing the proper way to open up the lymph and detox. So I know those were our top highest scoring foundations, and of course emotions sit in there as well. So in this 10-week journey, you're going to learn how to regulate your nervous system, support your body's natural terrain. We're going to teach you how to improve your sleep, digestion, and drainage, because most people have all this backwards. Understand what your symptoms are communicating, and then build sustainable habits that last. We're not going to give you a list of like 30 things to do. It's very simple, easy, daily things that you can implement. Your body has never been the enemy. It's been communicating with you through symptoms, sensations, fatigue, and through your own healing. It simply was asking to be heard. The Body Rebuild program is your invitation to come back home to yourself, not to become someone new, but to remember who you were before the stress, before the overwhelm, before the chaos, before the disconnection. There was a you beneath all of that. And again, we don't teach protocols. We don't teach quick fixes. We aren't people who will put you on massive supplements because none of that's really needed. When you figure out and learn how to rebuild your foundations, your body naturally starts functioning the way that it's supposed to. So it's looking at where your foundations are weak, what needs to be rebuilt, in what order. And these are all the things that you're going to learn in the 10 weeks. So, is this body rebuild program right for you? This program is for you if you've tried diets, supplements, detoxes, and protocols, but still don't feel like yourself. You're tired of chasing symptoms instead of addressing the root cause. Your nervous system feels stuck in stress, survival, or burnout, and you want simple, sustainable habits that support your body's natural healing. Or you're ready to rebuild your health from the ground up, not chase another quick fix. This does not happen overnight. I will tell you, though, the average person, when we have them fill out our MSQ form, drops at least 50 points in the first 30 days. If you want guidance, accountability, and a proven roadmap, that's what we provide you in the 10 weeks of mentorship. And you believe your body has the ability to heal, because that's important. There's a lot of people out there that don't feel worthy enough to heal. They don't feel they deserve to heal. And these are all things that we address and work with. And we teach you how to work with your beliefs. What do you receive in this 10-week? So there's a couple different ways this program is structured, and depending on how you want to do it, will kind of outlay your path. The KQU licensed practitioners run this program. They do it either one-to-one, which again, pricing will be depending on which KQU licensed practitioner you're working with, because they establish their own pricing. If you'd like to do it as a group, we occasionally have our KQU licensed practitioners run this in a group format. So it is a little less expensive, still way less expensive than your average $6, $10, $15, $35,000 12-week program. You can also do this online, self-paced, all by yourself, and go through the modules, watch the recordings, and that price is $397. And that course can be purchased from Kimbley Quantum University. So our website is KimbleyQuantumCollective.com. Once you go to the website, you can click on the tab that takes you to Kimbley Quantum University, and then you can look for the Body Rebuild course, and you'll see that that is $397. So again, that is online, self-paced. You're doing it all by yourself. We do offer it, like I said, as a one-to-one 10-week program, or as a small group for 10 weeks. You get weekly lessons. Most Zoom sessions are anywhere between an hour and 90 minutes. You get Zoom coaching calls each week. You have lifetime access to the Body Rebuild online course, and I am constantly editing it, adding more content. So the courses tend to grow as you are in KQU. You will find that. We also offer a community. We do have a private Facebook group for everyone who has gone through this program. And then we also give you weekly action plans. Okay, usually it's one or two very simple things. We try to make this not complicated, because most people are coming from complicated programs. And we really want you to try to implement all the things that we do seamlessly into your daily life. And these are just some of the reviews. We have plenty more where they are on our website. They are in the university. They are in Google. We've got nothing but amazing reviews from all of our students and practitioners who have been through our programs and our clients. So most people who have done this program feel that they have learned a lot of information. They've learned things that maybe they weren't aware of. Everyone that has gone through this, even if they think they know everything, they still find little nuggets and pearls in here to be able to take back and implement into their own healing or with their own clients. So if you are ready to take the next step, your healing journey begins with rebuilding the foundations your body has been asking for. You can watch the video. So this is the video that I'm doing right now, where I'm going to walk you through what this program looks like. When you're ready, you can connect with your KQU licensed practitioner. So whichever practitioner sent you this landing page or recording, please make sure you go back to them and get signed up for either the group or the one-to-one, and then you can begin your 10-week journey. So I hope to see you in our Body Rebuild program. And as always, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to your KQU licensed practitioner or to myself, Rev Dr. Becky Coots-Kimbley. You can find us at KimbleyQuantumCollective.com.